In this video, I'm going to show you how to make more than $100,000 with very simple videos. Now I'll show you how to make money on YouTube with a very simple method. I also thought about making this type of videos, but I simply have no time because I have too many projects right now. But because my subscribers mean so much to me, I want at least you to use this method and earn money with it. As an example, I chose this channel because I kept an eye on it for a while and is getting extremely popular. So let's go to the facts about this channel. As you can see, this channel joined YouTube August 1st, 2017, and it has already more than 100 million views on its channel. It means that the owner of this channel has already made more than $100,000 through this channel, because for around 1k views you earn $1. So if you calculate it, it made already more than $100,000. So this guy is really a genius. Let's see what kind of videos he has. As you can see, it's all about celebrities and their lifestyle, cars and stuff like that. So let's click on one of his videos to check what kind of videos he makes. For example, this one. And already you can see there's an ad coming here and here. Let's skip it. So this way he earns the money. And that's all he's making. It's basically some pictures, music, and then he adds a bit of text, some pictures of his cars. And this way he makes so much money. As you can see, these are very simple videos. He just took some pictures, added background music, a bit of text, and that's it. And for a video like this, you take maximum half an hour, sometimes even less, and you're done. You can upload so many videos, you don't need much work, and you earn so much money. The good thing about this is that he uses the popularity of celebrities in favor of his videos. So if people look for Mac Miller or other celebrities on YouTube, his videos will appear. So this way he gets all these clicks. To use other people's photos, you have to either write down the source or you can use a tool that's provided by Google, and I'll show you how it works. You go on Google and let's say, for example, Bugatti. If this is the car of Mac Miller, for example, and you want to add photos of a Bugatti in your videos, just search for it on Google, go to images. And now there's a tool. You can click on tools and then click on usage rights and choose labeled for reuse with modification. So all these photos here you can just take and reuse for your own videos. It's very simple to make. For this type of videos, you don't need to spend money for expensive video editing programs. All you need is iMovie or Windows Movie Maker. Of course, you can also use those expensive programs like Premiere Pro if you have it. If you don't want to spend any money for video editing programs, it's very possible. Me personally, I also use iMovie because I started like that. It's very simple and I got used to it and I don't need any other programs. It's more than enough for me. And I started as a complete beginner back then when I started making videos. You just need about 10 minutes to get used to the program and that's it. So really, this is the simplest method to make money. And the good thing is that you can make multiple videos per day. It doesn't take much time, maximum half an hour for me. Maybe as a beginner it takes a bit more time, but for me, this type of videos, I think I can make it in half an hour. You maybe maximum 1 hour. So you can make 3 to 4 videos per day if you have enough time. And that's why also this channel grew so much, because as you can see here, let's go to videos. You can see 5 hours ago, 1 day ago, 1 day ago. This guy, he publishes 1 to 2 videos per day. And that's how you grow your channel. You have to upload constantly. Now this guy probably works 1 or 2 hours per day and he made already 100k per month. And This channel is growing and growing, so his earnings will grow even more. That's why I can really recommend you to use this method. There's one more tip that I want to give you, and it's Google Trends. Here you can see what's trending right now. If you go here and click on trending searches, you see what people are searching the most right now. You can click on daily search trends or real-time search trends and choose a category that you want to look for. Let's go back to home. And you can see, for example, here, Taylor Swift and Kim Kardashian. So you see it's pretty popular. Kim Kardashian is pretty popular right now. So you can make videos about her. Taylor Swift, not that much, but still. And you can also add comparisons like Drake, for example. As you can see, Drake is even more popular than them. You can see the interest of people over time. And also you can choose your region. For example, if you're from another country like me, I'm from Germany, I can look for the interest of people in Germany. As you can see, it's different here. Kim Kardashian is more popular than Drake. It's almost the same, but you see the difference of Taylor Swift. She was way more popular in the United States than Germany. So if you make videos in German, I would recommend you to make videos about Drake or Kim Kardashian rather than Taylor Swift. So after you have your topic and you finished your video, you have to upload the video professionally. And that's very important. How to do that, I showed you in my previous video. So check out my previous video on how to upload videos professionally, because it's very, very important. And if you don't do it right, they will not be popular on YouTube. You have to adjust the videos very well. So I would recommend you to watch that video. And if you have time, the whole YouTube video series, because I give a lot of content and you can learn a lot by watching them. So now everything from the beginning. You choose a trending topic, you look for photos and music, edit the video with iMovie or whatever program you want to use, and then upload it professionally. And what you should do in the beginning is to upload at least one video per day. So that's basically it. If you like that video, subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below what kind of videos you want in the future, and watch my previous videos to get more information on how to make money on YouTube. Enjoy your day and see you in the next video.